We're here at the Bedford Pregnancy Center, partnering with Liberty University for Serve Lynchburg. We are doing some general landscaping. We're planting shrubbery. We'll be putting down some mulch. It's a way for us to collaborate with an incredible business partner, but also a way for us to bring our purpose statement to life and to serve and to give back to our community.
It feels good to make a visible difference today, not for our glory, but for God's glory. Also, when people come to the Pregnancy Center, that they feel warm, welcome as a loving, caring place.
Everyone here is really excited to be able to serve. All of us have our own stories as to why we want to be here.
Having the support of Coca-Cola Consolidated and LU today, just working on our property, is just really a representation of the hands and feet of Christ in the church. And we offer pregnancy classes and parenting counseling and just really any way to serve a young mom or any mom who finds herself in an unprecedented situation. We want them to know they are valued and they are loved. And by having a property that is taken care of and well maintained, it's just us being able to visibly show them, not just by words, that we care about them.
I know that Coke Consolidated has a passion and a desire to impact people all across the country and even all across the world. And so for us to come alongside with a similar passion, a similar desire, I think it's just a beautiful picture of what we can accomplish together. We have to look outside of our own needs and our own desires and recognize that there are people that live in the same areas where we live, who are hurting, who need help, who need encouragement, and we have the privilege and the opportunity of making a difference and pouring into their lives as well.